The question of the meaning of life can also be understood as a subjective assessment of the life lived and the compliance of the results achieved with the original intentions, as a person's understanding of the content and direction of his life, his place in the world, as the problem of a person's impact on the surrounding reality and setting goals by a person that go beyond his life. Not in this case, the need to find an answer to the questions is implied. What is the purpose of life, or the most general purpose of human life as such? Why, for what? For whom to live one? What are the values of life? The question of the meaning of life is one of the traditional problems of philosophy, theology, and fiction, where it is considered mainly from the point of view of determining what is the most worthy meaning of life for a person. Ideas about the meaning of life are formed in the course of people's activities and depend on their social status, the content of the problems being solved, their way of life, world outlook, and a specific historical situation. In favorable conditions, a person can see the meaning of his life in achieving happiness and well-being. In a hostile environment of existence, life may lose its value and meaning for him. People have asked and continue to ask questions about the meaning of life, putting forward competing hypotheses, philosophical, theological, and religious explanations. Science is able to answer with a certain degree of probability to specific questions like how exactly, under what conditions, what will happen if, while questions like what is the goal meaning of life, remain within the framework of philosophy and theology. The psychological reasons for the emergence of such questions are investigated in psychology,